Hello you all, it's me again. Okay, first before I start, I want you to do something. I want you to like, subscribe and ask questions. Having said that, this video is about this harp which I made a while ago. Go and see the video of how I built it. And well, what happened one night when I was sleeping, well, the bottom cracked out of it and it made a hideous noise. Maybe you see the video in which I'm building this violin, and if you haven't seen it, you can always check back in my other videos. SUTOR handmade guitars by Tom Witt. Well, and this, well, it has to be in tune, but it isn't. So I'm going to put some guitar tuners on the head. I took the tension of all the strings and then I did take out the bottom of the harp. I'm going from 112 to 114 followers. So I keep growing and then working on this broken bottom. I did get myself some new wood. A little bit of sawing later. I got the hole for the neck and the bottom plate. I got the angle in which I have to file this and file this. And I got the angle for this one. So these two are gonna be like this. I did do a lot of sawing and filing and, well, all kinds of everything. And now I have a new bottom for the harp. And I like to wish good luck to all the people working in the Yerkes Cup 4. I did loads of work on the bottom. And so I made a new bottom for it. And now it's almost ready for painting and well, getting it ready for being placed on the harp. Something like this.
One eternity later.
Loads of work today. I did saw and file this bottom part. Got legs underneath so I can put it on the harp.
The next day.
I got this harp. After putting all the strings a bit on tension, I'm now gonna work on the headstock to make the spreader that the strings are in the mid of the harp. So Well, and all I have to do now is start drilling all the holes and saw them out and make them the size. And now it needs to be tuned. So far the tuning now waiting if the stress isn't too much and it collapses again. And to all of you who are still building on your yacht sculpt build, I wish you all luck and have fun building. Well, it's going to be 37 degrees today, so this is the end of working on wood and the harp, the violin and the Leslie box, and I'm gonna go edit this movie. So hope to see you again next week and stay safe.